Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and use TinyTask in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type tinytask.net in the search bar. Click on the official website when it appears in the results. Once you're on the website, look for the download button on the right-hand side and click it to download TinyTask. When the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. TinyTask doesn't require any installation. Just double-click the file to launch it. Next, let's see how it works. TinyTask lets you record your actions, like mouse clicks and keystrokes, and play them back automatically. To record, click the Record button or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus R. Perform your task, then click Record again to stop. To play it back, click the Play button or press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus P, and TinyTask will repeat your actions for you. You can also click on Prefs to adjust the playback speed or set your recording to loop as many times as you need. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.